Hello everyone, I'm Assistant Professor Adil Khan, People's Institute of Hotel Management. Our today's topic is different types of rooms in hotels. In hotels, the rooms are categorized and priced according to the type of bed, number of occupants, number of bed, decor, specific furnishings or features, and nowadays special even the special theme available in the room. Our first room is single room. A single room assigned to one person may have one or more beds. The room size or area of single rooms are generally between 37 square meters to 45 square meters. Our second room is double room. A room assigned to two people may have one or more beds. The room size or area of double rooms are generally between 40 square meters to 45 square meters. Our third room is triple room. Triple room that can accommodate 3 persons and has been fitted with 3 twin beds, 1 double bed, and 1 twin bed or 2 double beds. The room size or area of triple rooms are generally between 45 square meters to 65 square meters. Quad. Our fourth room is quad room. A room assigned to 4 people may have 2 or more. The room size or area of quad rooms are generally between 70 square meters to 85 square meters. Our fifth room is queen room. A room with a queen size bed. The room size or area of queen rooms are generally between 32 square meters to 50 square meters. Our sixth room is king size room. A room with a king size bed may be occupied by one or more people. The room size or area of king rooms are generally between 32 square meters to 50 square meters. Our seventh room is twin room. Twin room with two twin beds may be occupied by one or more people. The room size or area of twin rooms are generally between 32 square meters to 40 square meters. Our eighth room is suite room or executive suite. A parlor or living room connected with to one or more bedrooms. A room with one or more bedrooms and a separate living space, which is called suite or executive room. The room size or area of suite rooms are generally between 70 square meters to 100 square meters. Our ninth room is studio room. A room with a studio bed, a couch with which can be converted into a bed, which is called a sofa cum bed, may also have an additional bed. The room size or area of studio room types are generally between 25 square meters to 40 square meters. 10th room is connecting rooms. Rooms with individual entrance doors from outside and a connecting door between. Guests can move between rooms without going through the hallway, which is called connecting rooms. The room size or area of connecting rooms are generally between 30 square meters to 50 square meters. 11th room is cabana. Cabana, this type of room is always adjoining to the swimming pool or have a private pool attached to the room. The room size or area of cabana room types are generally between 30 square meters to 45 square meters. Our 12th room is adjoining rooms. Rooms with a common wall but no connecting doors, which is called adjoining rooms. The room size or area of adjoining room types are generally between 30 square meters to 45 square meters. Our last room is adjacent rooms. Rooms close to each other, perhaps across the hall. The room size or area of adjacent room types are generally between 30 square meters to 45 square meters.